Film call. I smile with my little eye. Hello! Welcome to book shopping, yarn shopping, coffee hopping, cafe hopping in Copenhagen. Yeah! Welcome to another one of these videos! I was like, okay, I'm gonna travel again, so it's time for another book shopping in video. But we had a very early morning. We were both extremely tired. We made it. So now we're on our way to Apothek, which is like a very well-known place on, I guess, Instagram and amongst my colleagues in the coffee industry.
Hello! Is it time for a taste test?
Time for a taste test. Let me see, because they put some like tape on this thing. We're at Hard Bakery. A lot of my co-workers recommended this place. And reveal. We got their classic cardamom croissant. It's gonna be, I think, a little bit sugary and cardamom-y. Wow, surprise. And then rhubarb. What was it called again? Choux? Like,
choux.
Yeah, it's like filled with some cream. Yes. And I like rhubarb because it's like so seasonal and it's like a little bit fresh, tart. I love that word. We have to do a taste test at the same time. Ooh, look at that, like sugary.
Ooh.
Chin chin.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers. Well, it's so buttery. Whoa, the butter's like juicing out of it.
Yeah.
Dare I say, it's almost too buttery.
It's a bit much. The cardamom is nice.
I like it, but I would not get it again. You know what I mean? Cross section. Oh.
Ooh.
She's sexy.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I love this one's better. Rhubarb compote tart, lovely.
Yeah, better balance.
And I like the texture. More of the pastry. Wil je de mensen vertellen waar we nu naartoe gaan?
Boekwinkel?
Bookstore?
Busk.
We have a mission this trip, right? To find a book written by a
Danish author.
yes.
Or a book set in Denmark. In my head I have a few options.
Ooh, okay. I have no clue.
I think a big one is Tove Ditlevsen.
Oh, do I know
She
that?
wrote the Copenhagen trilogy. I read a book by Olga Ravn. She also has another book.
Okay.
She's Danish as well. So.
By accident, we stumbled upon Danish literature. I did not know that they had this like special edition of Great Big Beautiful Life. I have this one. Ooh, Emily Henry box set. And Nurai and I were talking about, you know, also a book that takes place in Denmark. This one takes place in Denmark, but we're not going to get it, but love the title. Hey! Good morning! It's day 2, and today is the day that I get my tattoo. The whole reason why we came here to Copenhagen is because of this. Well, and the pastries, and the yarn, and to go on vacation together for the first time. Your whip, right? That's what they call it. Work in progress. This is mine. Oh, look. Wait, like my first time doing a filet cliché. You can see it's becoming it's gonna be a rose. Getting a tattoo or a piercing is like a satisfying pain. Do you know what I mean? I think when my grandparents will see me again, they'll be like, you got so many new tattoos. It's insane. Yeah, it's stunning.
Would it be okay if I took a picture?
Oh, of course. I'm back for my tattoo. I'll show it a bit better. I mean, we made some videos, but I'll show it a bit better once we've like sat down at a cafe. But I am already obsessed. When she put on the stencil, I almost had to cry, but I was like, don't cry, because it came kind of like out of the blue. But it's so pretty.
It's so pretty.
It's so stunning. And
Ze is ook een hele leuke hond daar.
oh, waar? Oh yeah. Oh. Ooh, they have tote bags. I still need to get a tote bag though. Yeah. Oeh, ja. Ik vind dit dan al like, veel meer cutesy dan wat we naar gisteren waren. This place called again? The 1612. Dang, that bread looks incredible. And then Nurai and I are trying to read the same book. Sunrise on the Reaping! How many pages have you read?
10? I don't know.
What's the first impression of the 10 pages?
Good?
Good morning!
Oh.
Oh. Ja, lekker allemaal kleurtjes. Hi. Day 3, Copenhagen. Is it day 3?
Day 3.
We started off, we didn't film that with like some really nice pastries because we always get a little hungry before we find our
Yes.
breakfast spot, and it's just a good excuse to get some pastries. We did some yarn shopping for a friend of ours. Now
Which we won't show.
What did you say?
Which we won't show.
We won't show because it's a present for someone. And now we're at Sex Bakery, and we're gonna have some nice breakfast, do some crocheting and knitting, and then we're gonna have more like a cultural day today. Oh yeah, wait, new sweater, which I love. I wish this brand was in the Netherlands as well. It's called Boy with a double I. I don't know if
Boy.
I'm fast as fuck. Boy. I don't know if like this is necessarily the best color that I could wear, but I think it's just really cute. So. Doe het nog een keer. Whee! Beautiful! You try, you know, and that's the most important thing. Nice, hè? Ja, het doet me echt denken aan een boekencafé in Praag waar ik geweest ben. Yeah, all of my coworkers said to go to La Cabra, so let's see. Cardamom bun. Chin chin. I mean, if this is not one of the most sexiest buns in history, whether it's cardamom or cinnamon, it looks so hot. Yeah, we're gonna do a little taste test, and then on the bottom as well, it's like sugary cardamom. It also has some like pepperiness to it almost, but it also looks a little bit like peppercorns. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. It's really nice. This one has a slight stickiness to it on the bottom as well. The thing is, in the Netherlands, I've had like cardamom buns, which are really often quite dry.
Yeah.
Here you don't have that so far. Do still think I'd prefer cinnamon, but in the Netherlands I definitely prefer cinnamon. You know what I mean? There's like a slight closing the eyes. That means it's seriously good.
That's nice.
Quote, that's nice. Right, 2025.
That was more like nice.
Yeah.
Pretty eyes.
Nice. Good morning, good afternoon. Last day in Copenhagen. We're not actually in Copenhagen right now. I don't know what the town is called. We were at Louisiana. Do I say that? Louisiana Museum of Modern Art. It's really nice so far. I quite like it. And we just went into like this very famous Japanese artist's installation. What's the exhibition called?
Her name is Yayoi Kusama.
The museum was nice, but now we are continuing our Danish pastry.
For probably our final stop.
Yeah, our final Danish pastry. It's a bakery that has been recommended to me by a lot of also like people I think from Dagger, but also by random people on the street. Not that they were just like, oh my god, you need to go to Juno, but like at a bakery, like someone else recommended. I was like, try the cardamom bun from Juno.
We just stopped random people in the street. Where would you get a pastry?
Juno!
And they all said Juno.
So that's where we're going right now. It's Nurai's honor because this is her birthday present. Cafe hopping. This is a cream puff pastry. Wow. Oh, she really is creamy. Whoa, she's fluffy creamy.
But it's also coming out of the bottom.
Oh, verdict? Delicious.
Really good.
Mmm. Whoa, it's so juicy.
I know.
So juicy. How sweet. Wow. Whoa, the cream is so soft and silky.
Yeah.
Nice and vanilla.
I'll save you guys.
Rolling.
Okay, so yesterday we also had like cardamom bun at La Cabra. But Nurai's reaction to this one right now is insane. So I'm really curious. It's extremely pillowy. It's so soft. It's really good. And the sugar is perfectly crunchy.
Yeah. There's just so much flavor.
The texture is, it's
Yeah.
very similar to the caviar, but this one has a slight sugary coatedness to it. Like it's a little bit more crunchy on the outside.
Yeah, and then very soft on the inside.
It's gonna sound really bad, but it's good. A little wet on the inside. Like there's a softness to the sugar. That's how I can describe it. Honestly, yes, the best one that we've had. Maybe we need to get another one.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
Or in my freezer.
Or in my mouth. Last Danish coffee at Orsa. I don't know if I can show with this. Always flat white nose. Love it. Rai is gonna try on her sweater. Look at her. Oh, almost Hello. Editing Sabine here, and I can't be bothered to wear makeup, to do my hair, etc. It's been a couple months since I came back from Copenhagen, and it was absolutely amazing. But besides all of the pastry eating, the yarn shopping, we did not succeed in finding a book written by a Danish author or set in Denmark that really spoke to us. There were so many nice little bookstores, but also Copenhagen is fucking expensive, y'all. Or maybe like Denmark just in general, and I already felt like my wallet got robbed when I was there, even though it was such a lovely experience. But I saw some books there that I was like, I can get this a little bit more cheaper in the Netherlands, so let's just wait a little bit with buying it. It was just such a nice and special trip, and I loved being there with Nurai. It felt perfect, and I would highly recommend you to go to Copenhagen if you have some money, because holy fuck. Thank you so much for watching one of these videos again. It means a lot to me, and I will see you guys soon with some more cozy creative content.